Reviews of the OUKITEL C21 Pro have been buzzing across the internet, with users praising its budget-friendly price and solid build. As a smartphone designed for everyday use, it delivers a surprisingly premium feel with its sleek design and curved edges. The AAA camera setup has been a highlight for many, offering decent shots in good lighting conditions, though it struggles a bit in low-light scenarios. The 4000 mAh battery has impressed users, lasting an entire day with moderate usage, making it ideal for those who need a reliable device. Some users have noted that while the phone performs well for its price, it isn't built for high-end gaming or intensive multitasking. The OUKITEL C21 Pro comes with a 6.39-inch HD Plus display, which, while not the highest resolution on the market, is bright and colorful enough for casual media consumption. The phone runs on the MediaTek Helio P22 processor, coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card. It runs on Android 11, offering a near-stock experience with some minor customizations from OUKITEL. The fingerprint scanner and face unlock provide convenient security options, and the plastic back ensures durability. The device supports a triple camera setup, with a primary 21MP sensor, though the 2MP and 0.3MP auxiliary sensors are mostly there for aesthetic depth effects rather than major functionality. In terms of connectivity and other features, the OUKITEL C21 Pro supports 4G LTE, dual SIM functionality, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and GPS. The USB Type-C port ensures faster charging and data transfer, a feature that isn't always present in budget smartphones. The call quality is decent, and signal reception has been solid across different networks. One of the minor drawbacks is the lack of 5G support, but given the price point, that isn't entirely unexpected. The speaker quality is average, delivering clear audio but lacking deep bass. The phone includes a headphone jack, which is a plus for those who still prefer wired headphones over wireless options. The OUKITEL C21 Pro is positioned as an affordable smartphone, with a price range of around $120 to $150, depending on the region and ongoing promotions. This places it in direct competition with brands like Xiaomi and Realme, which also offer budget-friendly options. For the price, the phone provides a solid balance of design, battery life, and basic performance. It's not a flagship killer, but it's a strong contender for users who need a reliable daily driver without breaking the bank. Given the triple camera setup, expandable storage, and decent battery, it is an attractive option for students, casual users, or as a secondary device. Performance-wise, the phone handles everyday tasks like social media, web browsing, and video streaming without any issues. However, when pushed with demanding apps or games, the Helio P22 chipset starts to show its limitations. Gaming is possible, but heavy titles like PUBG or Genshin Impact require lower settings to run smoothly. Multitasking is decent, but you may experience occasional lag if too many apps are open at once. There have been some leaks and rumors about an upgraded version with a better display and a more powerful processor, but nothing official yet. For now, the OUKITEL C21 Pro remains a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Stay tuned to Tech Vibe for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest smartphones.